Having high blood pressure increases a person's risk of heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. About 1 in 3 American adults have high blood pressure. And, unfortunately, there's no magic bullet food that can lower it. But researchers have discovered that certain foods can lower high blood pressure. 1. Walnuts. Eating a half cup of walnuts daily has been shown to help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and even shrink your waist. Walnuts contain healthy fats, magnesium and fiber, which may be why they're good for blood pressure. 2. Beets and beet juice. They are rich in nitrates, which can help widen your blood vessels and improve blood pressure. It has been proven that drinking just 8 ounces of beet juice lowered participants' blood pressure for 24 hours, so drink up. 3. Berries. Blueberries and strawberries contain antioxidant compounds called anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid. Based on research with more than 34,000 people with hypertension, it was discovered that those with the highest intake of anthocyanins, mainly from blueberries and strawberries, had an 8% reduction in the risk of high blood pressure, compared to those with a low anthocyanin intake. You can enjoy berries as a snack or sweet treat after meals, or add them to smoothies and oatmeal. 4. Flaxseed. People with hypertension who ate just 3 tablespoons of flaxseed daily for 6 months lowered their blood pressure by an average of 10%. To achieve this goal with flaxseed, grind it up and add it to yogurt or a smoothie. 5. Gazpacho. Scientists looked at the diets of nearly 4,000 people and found that those who regularly ate gazpacho had healthier blood pressure. The tomato-based cold soup is loaded with carotenes, vitamin C and polyphenols, which researchers think may help lower blood pressure. 6. Natural yogurt. According to the American Heart Association, yogurt may reduce the risk of high blood pressure in women. The researchers found that middle-aged women who consumed 5 or more servings of yogurt each week for 18 to 30 years, showed a 20% reduction in the risk of hypertension when compared to similarly aged women who rarely ate yogurt. 7. Garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic and antifungal food. Its main active ingredient, allicin, is often responsible for associated health benefits. Research suggests that garlic increases the body's production of nitric oxide, which helps the smooth muscles to relax and the blood vessels to dilate. These changes can reduce hypertension. Furthermore, garlic can enhance the flavor of many savory meals, including stir-fries, soups, and omelets. Using garlic instead of salt can further promote the health of the heart. Remember, all these foods not only help your blood pressure, but they're good for your body in other ways too. Good luck and be healthy. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit like button and click the subscribe button option.